Keto diet meal plan for weight loss. Hello and welcome to Psychology Show. My name is Bianca and I am an expert consultant. Today, I am going to be sharing a keto diet meal plan for weight loss. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has gained popularity in recent years as a weight loss and health improvement strategy. The goal of the keto diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it is burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This video is designed to provide you with a detailed meal plan that can help you get started on the keto diet and achieve your weight loss goals. I will be discussing the types of foods to include in your meals, as well as offering some tips and resources for success on the keto diet. So, let's get started. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has gained popularity in recent years as a weight loss and health improvement strategy. The goal of the keto diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it is burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. To do this, the keto diet requires you to significantly reduce your intake of carbohydrates and increase your intake of fats. This typically involves consuming less than 50 grams of carbs per day, while increasing your intake of healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. The keto diet works by forcing your body to use fat as its primary source of energy, rather than glucose from carbohydrates. When you drastically reduce your intake of carbs, your body has to find another source of energy, and it turns to stored fat as well as dietary fat for fuel. This process can lead to weight loss, as well as other potential health benefits such as improved blood sugar control and reduced inflammation. However, it's important to note that the keto diet is not for everyone and should be approached with caution. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. It's also important to be aware of any potential drawbacks or cautions, such as the need to monitor nutrient intake and the potential for side effects in some individuals. Sample keto diet meal plan for weight loss. Now that we've covered the basics of the ketogenic diet, let's take a look at a sample meal plan for a day on the keto diet. For breakfast, you might have a couple of eggs cooked in coconut oil, with a side of sautéed spinach and avocado. For lunch, you could have a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and a homemade vinaigrette dressing made with olive oil and vinegar. For dinner, you might have a grilled salmon fillet with roasted broccoli and a side of cauliflower rice. Snacks throughout the day could include a handful of almonds, a slice of cheese, or a hard-boiled egg. Remember to focus on incorporating non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality protein sources into your meals and snacks. And don't be afraid to get creative with your food choices. There are plenty of delicious and satisfying options available on the keto diet. Just be sure to avoid refined carbs and sugary foods, as these can derail your weight loss efforts. Tips for success on the keto diet. If you're considering starting the ketogenic diet or have already begun your journey, here are a few tips to help you succeed. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining proper body function, and it's especially important on the keto diet. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and consider adding electrolyte-rich drinks such as coconut water or bone broth to your diet to help prevent the keto flu. Plan ahead. Success on the keto diet often requires some planning and preparation. Make a grocery list and stock up on keto-friendly foods, and consider meal prepping in advance to make it easier to stick to your diet. Track your progress. It can be helpful to track your food intake and progress using a tool such as a food diary or an app like MyFitnessPal. This can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Consider supplements. Certain supplements, such as MCT oil and exogenous ketones, can help support ketosis and promote weight loss on the keto diet. However, it's important to talk to a healthcare professional before adding any supplements to your diet. By following these tips and being consistent with your keto diet, you can increase your chances of success and reach your weight loss goals. Just remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet and to listen to your body's needs. Conclusion. In summary, the ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that can be effective for weight loss and improving overall health. By drastically reducing your intake of carbs and increasing your intake of healthy fats, you can enter a state of ketosis where your body is burning fat for fuel. However, it's important to approach the keto diet with caution and to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. It's also essential to pay attention to your body's needs and to make adjustments as needed to ensure you are meeting your goals. If you're considering trying the ketogenic diet, I encourage you to give it a shot and see how it works for you. Just remember to be consistent and to seek support if you need it. With the right mindset and approach, the keto diet can be a powerful tool for improving your health and achieving your weight loss goals.